Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet and in today's video we are going to talk about the all new Nissan Magnite CNG that just launched in the Indian market a few days back. Now the Japanese manufacturer is celebrating a massive sales milestone, that is 2 lakh Nissan Magnites were sold since its inception in December 2020. Now the prices for the Nissan Magnite CNG, which is being offered as a government approved retrofit kit from Motozen, are rupees 75,000 premium over the respective petrol variant. Now the Nissan Magnite CNG is only being offered in one variant, that is the 1 litre naturally aspirated petrol engine, and the prices for the Nissan Magnite CNG range starts at rupees 6.89 lakh for the base variant and goes all the way up to the rupees 10.02 lakh for the top spec variant. Now all the prices that are being mentioned are ex-showroom. Now the retrofitted CNG kit is the work of Motozen and it will be fitted by a government authorized fitment centers. The kit comes with a 3-year or a 1 lakh kilometer warranty. Nissan will open bookings for the Magnite CNG in the following states on June 1st at authorized dealerships in Delhi NCR, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala. Other states will follow in the second phase of the launch. Now the 1 litre naturally aspirated engine is a 3-cylinder engine. It comes with a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard. It produces 71 bhp of power, 96 Nm of peak torque when it is running on petrol. However, the figures of CNG are not yet given right now, but we are expecting that the power will drop slightly when you switch to the CNG mode. The Nissan Magnite is offered actually with 2 engine options: a naturally aspirated 1 litre 3-cylinder engine that has just been given the CNG treatment and comes in both manual and AMT versions. Well, there is a turbocharged petrol version of the same engine. That's a 1 litre turbo petrol engine. It's a 3-cylinder and that pumps out a 99 bhp of power and 160 Nm of peak torque and comes with an AMT or a CVT gearbox. So yeah guys, this was the all new Nissan Magnite CNG. Basically it's a retrofitted kit over the naturally aspirated 1 litre Nissan Magnite that you have. So you can obviously get it retrofitted from the authorized dealerships. The prices for the car with the CNG variant starts at rupees 6.89 lakh and goes all the way up to the 10.02 lakh mark for the top spec variant, and these are the ex-showroom prices. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channels. I'm Promeet signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.